All right, we are on our way, baby. Everybody's yelling. Everybody's in traffic. Everybody's mad. But we're on our way to the port. Woohoo! Okay, so we just got to our room. We are on the Symphony of the Seas. We have an ocean view room, so I'm gonna show you the room really quick. So here is the room. It's a very nice size. We have a little bathroom here with a shower, sink, little closet here.
I like that too.
Oh, I guess somebody left some of their clothes in the closet. Okay.
I don't know why.
Nice bed. I think this is a queen size bed, I believe.
And we're on the ocean.
Nice TV there.
Okay,
And then a nice couch area. This is where the kids will sleep. This should unfold, I believe.
Okay.
And then we have our porthole. Now, we have not left yet, so this is currently our view, but obviously we will have a view of the water. So that is the room.
Yeah. Like
First drink of the cruise, strawberry daiquiri. Okay, so day 2. Look at my earrings. Aren't they adorable? They're from Temu. But I have not seen my mother since yesterday at the pool. We were supposed to meet for dinner at 7 o'clock. She never showed. Now I'm with my family, my mother-in-law's family, my sister-in-law's family, so there's a group of us, and including my mom and my boyfriend, so I'm, not my boyfriend, her boyfriend. So I'm not alone by any means, but like, it's, I don't know what time, maybe 10:30 on day 2, and I still haven't seen her since last night, and I have no idea where she is. But I was just walking the pool deck and looking for her, and I came across this drink. Somebody making drinks in pineapple, so I was like, yes, please. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna enjoy my pineapple drink and hope that my mom walks by. See you later. Okay, crisis averted. We found my mother. And then later on today, Ivy had the most epic fit that you couldn't even imagine. So that was fun. And now so that's where we're at. Good morning. It is day 3. Don't mind my face. I just woke up. So today we are docking in Port Canaveral, Florida. We are probably just gonna stay on the boat because I don't think there's really too much to do at that port, but here is the view from our room. So it's pretty neat to see the ocean going by. We had a nice dinner last night. I forgot to tell you guys, night 1, both of the kids went to the kids club for a few hours. We got to have dinner with the family without the kids. We got to go to the casino for a little bit. It was awesome. But they did say that my daughter's behavior was less than stellar. And also since then, my daughter has not wanted to go back. So I think that might have been our only night of freedom, but at least we got one, right? Not sure what else I told you where I left off yesterday. We're having a pretty good time so far, other than my daughter's behavior, but it's kind of to be expected. So day 3, baby. Maybe I'll check in later. Bye. Okay, good morning. Day 4. I think yesterday I said it was day 2. It was actually day 3, but it was our second full day, if that makes sense. Sorry about the noise. So day 4, today we're in Nassau, Bahamas. It's about 11:45, and we are actually pulling up now. This is the view from our room. So it is kind of neat. We get to actually see ourselves pulling in to port. My daughter actually has had a fever last night. She doesn't feel warm today, but we did have to buy some Tylenol on the ship. In case you're wondering, it was $17. So we're just kind of hoping right now that she doesn't get worse or anything. She seems fine. She's on the bed kicking her brother. So who knows what happened with that. But Nassau, Bahamas today. I will try to get some footage. We are going on an excursion to Blue Lagoon. We did it last year. We absolutely loved it. So we'll see if I can get at least some pictures maybe. I really haven't taken like any pictures at all yet. But we'll see. So have a good day. Bye.
Search but you stay lost. We are
Day 5, it's Coco K Day, my favorite day of the whole trip. We are here already. There's another ship docked right next to us. It's about, I don't know, 20 after 7 in the morning. We're able to get off the ship at about 8. So I ordered room service for us this morning. It just arrived. And so now I'm just gonna try to get everybody up and get off the ship as soon as possible. It's a short day, even though it's their private island. I think we have to be on the ship by 4:30. So we don't have too much. We want to try to spend as much time at Coco Cay as we can. So I'll try to get some footage if I can. If not, see you later.
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take.
Alright you guys, so I haven't checked in a bit. Today, I think it's Wednesday today. Tomorrow is the last day, like the last full day, and then we get off on Friday. And let me tell you, it cannot come soon enough. So, I think I told you my daughter had a little bit of a fever. And I think that she was feeling better the next day. Well, I'm now sick and my husband is sick. So all day today, we both felt terrible. He literally slept until 4:30 today. I slept a little bit in, but I got up with the kids and everything, and then I napped a little bit. So yeah, we just don't feel good. My daughter's behavior is just honestly absolutely awful. I think she's feeling better now, but she's just really out of her element, and I just don't even know what to say. We were just at the dining room for dinner, and we literally had to leave because her behavior was just so bad. Screaming, crying, throwing things, trying to spill our drinks, I don't know, it's been really, really rough. So my husband carried her out. I just asked for his meal to go. And I came back to the room and she was screaming. She's finally calm now. So I'm honestly hoping she'll maybe just pass out for the whole night. It's only about 20 after 8 right now, but maybe she's just extremely tired. So yeah, I ordered room service because I didn't get to eat. It's been rough. So we decided no more family cruises for quite a while because it's just so hard. We did have a good time at Coco Cay. I don't know. That's the update. So like I said, tomorrow is the last full day. I really don't know what that's going to hold for us between us not feeling well, my daughter's behavior, what have you. I really don't know what we're going to be doing. I'm hoping that she'll at least be okay to hang out by the pool or something like that. I barely took like any pictures. Like I really like took no pictures this entire cruise. It is what it is. So that's the update. I don't know if I'll check in tomorrow or not. This may be the end of the vlog here, and it may not be. So either way, I will see you in the next one, I guess. Bye. Okay, it's the last day. I'm definitely feeling a little bit better today, which I am very happy about. My husband is still not feeling the best, but he at least got out of bed today, so that's something. We hung out by the pool a little bit today. You know, didn't do really anything much. We just got showered. We're gonna head to get something to eat here soon and then just kind of hang out for the rest of the night. I did pack up the room a little bit. Later on, before we go to bed, I'll try to, you know, pack up pretty much everything. We are just going to take our own luggage off, which makes it a little bit easier. We don't have to stick to like any type of time schedule or anything, although we do want to get off, I think, pretty early. My mother-in-law, who drove with us, wants to get off by 7, which is really early, so we're going to try to do that. But I am going to miss looking out my window and just seeing the ocean. I don't know, I just think there's something like so peaceful about it. Just, I don't know, I just love having this view. I think it's awesome. So that's it. We're gonna hope that my daughter's behavior is decent for dinner tonight. She fell asleep around 8:30 last night and she slept till like 9:30 this morning. She was exhausted. So I don't know, you guys, it's been a rough one, honestly. We're definitely happy to go home. Yeah, and get back to normal, and yeah, so that's it, I guess. I don't know if I'll take any more footage, probably not. So I guess this is where this will end, and I'll see you when I get back. Bye!